Hello guys, welcome back to Ton of Inspo. For today's video, here going to show you how to fix Bose QC Earbuds flashing red and white. So if you're interested, let's get started. So if you're having problems with your Bose QC Earbuds here and it's flashing either red and white, well, in this case, in order for you to fix this, you need to either reset it or check a few things. Now, the first thing that you may want to do here is you may want to disconnect the earbuds from whatever device you have disconnected. So you want to go to your Bluetooth settings and forget the connection. Now, once you've done that, we could go ahead and do the following steps. So first is you want to reset your earbuds. So you want to go ahead and place both your earbuds here back into the charging case. Now, you want to go ahead and close the lid and wait for about like 30 seconds. Then once 30 seconds is up, you can go and reopen the case and check if that actually solves the issue. But if that doesn't solve the issue, there's still one thing that you could try doing. So in this case, you want to go ahead and open up your case here. Look for the Bluetooth button on your charging case here, and you want to press and hold that for about 30 seconds. Now wait until the light on the case starts flashing here, and from then on, go ahead and try reconnecting your Bluetooth your earbuds here to your device or your phone and see if that solves the issue. And that's about it. Now, if none of those actually work, it's best to contact Bose support, especially if you just recently bought this. The product itself might be defective, so contacting them can give you additional steps that you could do, or basically get a refund or get a replacement for this one. In this case, that's it. Hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.